Campaign Monitor is a powerful email marketing tool that helps you create, send, and analyze email campaigns. Here's how to get started. Sign up and log in. First, sign up for an account on the Campaign Monitor website and log in to access your dashboard. Create a new campaign. In the dashboard, click on Create a Campaign. Choose from options like a regular campaign, A/B test, or automated campaign. Select your recipients. Choose a segment or list of subscribers you want to target. You can segment by demographics, engagement, or tags. Design your email. Campaign Monitor offers an intuitive drag-and-drop editor and pre-built templates. Customize the design by adding text, images, buttons, and links. You can personalize your emails using dynamic content and merge tags, such as subscriber names. Preview and test. Always preview your email to see how it will appear on desktop and mobile devices. Send a test email to yourself to check for any issues before sending it out to your list. Send or schedule. Once you're happy with the email, click send or schedule it for a later time. Analyze campaign results. After your campaign is sent, use Campaign Monitor's analytics to track open rates, click-through rates, and other key metrics to measure success and optimize future campaigns.